Here is how to have focus mode on your Android. Let's talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Of course, on your Android phone, all you have to do is to open up these settings, and in there you don't necessarily have something which is called a focus mode, but you should be able to find modes and routines, which basically gets the same thing done. Like, it is for these different purposes, which if you are used to it from different platforms, then it's going to work almost exactly the same. Because for example, you can set up the sleep mode, which is technically the sleep focus mode. And you can either turn it on or set up the scheduling and all of that kind of thing. But also there is the lock screen and home screen appearance based on that, right? So there is, for example, the grayscale, which you can apply as a color filter, and so many other things in here as well, right? So it kind of depends on the specific mode which you select, right? So if you, for example, pick the exercise mode, then you're gonna have a different set of features there, right? So you kind of should pick the one which you actually want to use, or you can tap on the custom mode, which you can create for yourself, and then as well you can choose what distractions are going to be filtered, or if the do not disturb is going to be enabled, or app usage is supposed to be restricted, right? So many things which you can enable or associate with that particular mode. So it takes a while to set it up the way that you would want it, but I think it's worth it because it can save you a lot of time, and it can make you focus better. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think below. Let me know if you managed to set it up. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.